Hello everyone. Today let's talk about how to add a Facebook Messenger button on your WordPress website. So if you have your WordPress website and if you're thinking how to add a small button for Facebook Messenger right on your website so that your website visitors or your customers can start chatting directly and right from the website, then we'll talk about that today. So basically in our website we already have a blog called how to add messenger button on WordPress website. So it has all the details listed in here. This can be done by using code or by using a plugin also. So I'm just going to get you through this tutorial so that video content will be there for you. So if you do not like to go through the blog. Anyway, so the first thing we have to understand is why do you want to add a messenger button on your website. So basically if you want to give a quick option for your website visitor to chat to you via Facebook Messenger, then you should put a messenger button somewhere on your website so that your website visitors can come in and ask some pre-purchase questions or any general inquiry or any support related questions. So basically if you want to do that, let's go ahead and add a messenger button on your website. So basically there are two ways of adding messenger button on your website. One option is that there is a great tutorial provided by the official Facebook developers, so you can go in here. I'll definitely include the link in video's description also. So they have mentioned everything clearly here. Messenger customer chat plugin. So if you go through this tutorial by Facebook developers, you'll be able to add the messenger button on your website. So this is a pretty easy and step-by-step tutorial. So in step 1, generate the code for the plugin, and what to do under this step is given here. Yes, so including whitelisting in-page settings or domains. And then step 2, available customizations. In here they talk about how many customizations options are available there, and you can see a good messenger button here. If you click on it, you can chat right. I mean your customer can chat right to you directly. And here are other options like turn off message, mute conversation, view on messenger, or visit Facebook page. That means your website visitor, instead of chatting on messenger, can visit to your Facebook page also right from here. And step 3 is add a plugin to your web page. So here are some codes given. So if you write all these codes, and if you copy all these codes and place accurately on your website, the messenger button will be visible there. So toggle the persistent menu, that is option that is step 4. So as you can see in here, so step 5 is set a custom ref parameter for conversation, right? And step 6 is manage conversations. Step 7 is detecting conversations. So basically in this post they have defined everything in detail step by step, so that if you have some coding skill or if you are a webmaster, how you know how to edit a WordPress page, or how to, and you know where the code is, then you should definitely go for this, because this does not require any plugin or anything else. It is merely some embed codes here and there and some configurations right on your Facebook profile and your Facebook page. So that is one way of doing it. The next way of doing it is definitely by using a plugin. So there are many free and premium plugins available in WordPress.org and in other marketplaces. So you can go ahead and look for one free or premium, whichever is good for you. But at this tutorial, we'll be talking about WPFB Messenger button. This is a premium Facebook Messenger button plugin for WordPress. So you can get this plugin in CodeCanyon marketplace in just $10, and it has a lot of features. So yeah, it has 10 different button templates, 10 different animation for the buttons, mobile and desktop. Both options can be enabled or disabled, and it works with all the themes, and there is customization options for colors and everything. So I think this is a pretty good template for you. So you can buy this plugin, and you can install this plugin, and you can start configuring the plugin to get that messenger button right on your website. So I'll show you first. Look, if in this page here you can see the messenger button. Okay, so this is the demo page of that plugin that we are talking about. So this is how the messenger button comes over here. There are many other templates like this, and they have given many other options for the position also. Where do you want to keep the button? So these all are the options available from that plugin. So anyway, coming back to this, number 2 is adding messenger button by using WordPress plugin. Step 1 would be getting the plugin. So you can get a free plugin or a premium plugin, whatever fits your requirement. And then step 2, according to if you're going to use this plugin, is step 2 is upon completing the activation of the plugin, you will see WPFB Messenger button on the left, and then you can start configuring the plugin, user details, floating button options, menu settings, shortcode generator, custom chat button for page, how to use details, and other details are there. So you can choose the floating button and check or select from the options available there. You can also set the display settings, like here in show in desktop, show or do not show on mobile, enable button text or only button text or button, etc. Templates, you can see a lot of templates here. Color settings, you can choose the colors. Animation settings, you can select from the animation settings. Button position, under this you can select at what position of the screen or website you would like to keep the button. And then you can configure the page or post or category. For example, you can keep that messenger button in all the pages or some specific page, in all the posts or some specific posts, or in all categories or some in specific categories. Similarly, in step 4, you'll be defining some general settings, like so button on menu, in menu position, enable text, etc. And step 6 would be configuring the chat buttons, where you might need to enter the Facebook app ID, Facebook page ID. So basically this is the Facebook page or Facebook ID, where you want to connect your website visitors to. So if your website visitor sends a message through Messenger, so who is going to get that message is basically to be set up here. So yeah, out of these two processes, you can select one. Like I said before, if you have some programming skills, or if you know some coding, and if you know basic WordPress edits here and there, and if you can understand the instructions given by the developers in Facebook, so copying and pasting and creating some Facebook applications, etc. So you can go with the first option. Otherwise, you can go with the second option, where the things are easier, because you'll be using a plugin to do most of the things, and you'll not have to code anything. You just have to um, configure things here and there in the plugin, and the button will be up for you, the button will be ready for you. All right, so thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope this is helpful for you. Thank you.